Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Myself, I am Reshma, your math teacher. Today we will learn lesson number 3, large numbers. You already know the greatest 4-digit number is 9999 and the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. When we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, what we get? We get the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. We had learned how to write an expanded form and short form. We will see one example. 29,368. 29,368 is in the short form. Next we will see the expanded form of 29,368. Expanded form of 29,368 equal to 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 8. Moving further, we are going to learn how to write number names of large numbers. Before starting, I will make you remember the place value. What is place value? The position of a digit in a number gives its place value. Let us understand this with the help of a number. Let us take the number 9825. We write the number 9825 in the place value chart as the digit 9 is in thousands place, the digit 8 is in hundreds place, the digit 2 is in tens place and the digit 5 is in ones place. Now let us have a look at the place value of the each digit. Here the digit 9 is in thousands place. It means there are 9,000. Therefore the place value of 9 is 9 into 1000, 9,000. The digit 8 is in hundreds place. It means there are 8 hundreds. Therefore the place value of the digit 8 is 8 into 100, 800. The digit 2 is in tens place. It means there are 2 tens. Therefore, the place value of the digit 2 is 2 into 10, 20. And the digit 5 is in ones place. It means there are 5 ones. Therefore, the place value of the digit 5 is 5 into 1, 5. Now we will see how to write large numbers. First we will see one example. 50,627. First we will make period blocks and fill the places. Here the number name is 50,627. Therefore in 10,000's place 5 will come, in thousands place 0 will come, in hundreds place 6 will come, in tens place 2 will come and in ones place 7 will come. The next example is 2,36,294. First we will make period blocks and fill the places. Here in lakhs place 2 will come, in 10,000's place 3 will come, in thousands place 6 will come, in hundreds place 2 will come, in tens place 9 will come and in ones place 4 will come. The third example is 34,19,545. First we will make period blocks and fill the places. Here In 10 lakhs place 3 will come. In lakhs place 4 will come. In 10,000s place 1 will come. In thousands place 9 will come. In hundreds place 5 will come. In tens place 4 will come. And in ones place 5 will come. One more example. 3 crore 91 lakh 52,118. First we will make period blocks and fill the places. Here in crores place 3 will come. In 10 lakhs place 9 will come. In lakhs place 1 will come. In 10,000s place 5 will come. In thousands place 2 will come. In hundreds place 1 will come. In tens place 1 will come. And in ones place 8 will come. Now we have learned how to write in figures. With the help of this, you can write number name for the given numeral. Let us take the number 8, 5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 7, 0. First, identify the place values. Moves from right side. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Therefore, the number name for the given numeral is 8 crore 54 lakh 79,270. Now we will learn how to put commas to separate the periods. We will take one example. 5, 7, 0, 2, 0, 9, 3, 1. First check the place value of each digit. Whenever you want to put comma, you should move from right to left. The first period from the right has 3 digits. The rest have 2 digits. Therefore, start from right side. Count 3 places. 1, 10, 100. Put comma. Then next period, thousands period. Put a comma there. Then next period, lakhs period. Put a comma there. Therefore, we can write the above number using comma as shown below. The number name is 5 crore 70 lakh 20,931. I hope you understood this. Now, I will send an exercise along with this video. Try to solve that. Thank you.